Hello everyone! Beautiful winter day in Texas. Look at that blue sky. And the temperatures, just go with it. It's about 80 degrees. Yeah, we could almost put the air conditioning in the house. That hot. And we decided, given it's so nice, we were going to do a bit of garden work, prepare the garden to plant some garlic. It's a bit late, but I'm not actually sure it's even late. Given the temperatures, it might be just on time. So let's get this garlic in the ground.
What is Daddy working on here?
Well, we've been cleaning all the dirt full of deer rabbit poop and all the good stuff for the garden. Is the garden we just prepared. So this row here is gonna be garlic, and here is my garlic ready to be planted. So here's my row to plant the garlic, and here is my garlic here. You can see we need to plant each clove. Some of them already have sprouted. Can you see that one? So this is going to be on top, and we're going to put that at the bottom like this. And so the way to do it is pretty much a thumb down in the ground, and then you put this bottom, that top like this, and we need to count pretty much a hand between this one and the next one right there, and we keep going with another clove right there that we put down, and another hand. So I'm gonna spare you all the planting because, as you can see, I have a long row to go and a lot of garlic. Well, it is done. All in. Let's just hope we're gonna be a bit more lucky this year than last year, where it just did not work. So let's cross fingers here and hope for a lot of garlic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thank you all for watching.